Meaning of initiation.
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 Initiation. Initiation refers to the process of beginning or starting something, usually a ritual, ceremony, or training program. It involves introducing someone to a new concept, idea, or skill set, often with the intent of guiding them towards a particular goal or objective. The result of initiation can vary, but it generally leads to a greater understanding or personal transformation. This can include increased knowledge, improved skills, heightened awareness, or a deeper sense of purpose. Initiations are often associated with spiritual or cultural traditions and can be a significant milestone in a person's life.